Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. We're out in the barn for just a few minutes because I had a few orders come through last night that I needed to get packed up and out the door for the mailman this morning. And one was on Poshmark and one was on eBay. My first one on eBay was this Fiestaware mug and plate, and that sold for $9.99 plus shipping. Just listed that yesterday, so I was pretty excited about that. And then the next order was on Poshmark, and that is for this vintage fine art bag. And I have had that for a while. I actually ended up picking that up at an estate sale quite some time ago. I think it was sometime last year, actually. And that sold for $31. So I was really happy with that sale. So the next thing we're going to do, I have all this stuff packed up already, is go to a rummage sale that we found, and it is at a church. It's quite some distance, but didn't have anything else planned for the day. It's just me and my husband. He's off today, so we're gonna try that out and see what we can find. If at all possible, I will try to take you in, or at least try to get some clips. And if I can't do that, then I will at least show you what we picked up. So, on to that. Okay, guys, if you have followed me for any length of time, then you know that I don't get many clips of places that we go to. But I was actually able to get some clips of this rummage sale. There wasn't a whole lot there that we wanted. There was a lot of junk. But we did pick up a few items, so I hope you enjoy.